Hey, are you looking to get DIY lashes, cluster lashes at home, but you don't know if this is the right fit? You are in the right place because today I'm going to help you with all your questions if this is the right fit. Hi, so my name is Jimena. I am a lash tech since 2015. I used to get my lashes, but for the last year, I have been using this one. So today I will talk about some questions about these lashes to help you out if this is for you. So first question is the application easy? And yes, the application can be more easy than strip lashes, and it's because they come in little pieces and you apply these lashes under your natural lashes, so the application can be much easy. For some people it can take a little longer, but when they try for the third time, I'm sure they're gonna become a pro. So they are much easier than strip lashes, 100%. The time frame putting these lashes is between 10 to 20 minutes. The more experience you have, the more faster the application time will be. Next question, how is the retention about these lashes? So you can sleep with these lashes and you can shower totally fine. I will recommend not to shower, just like eyelash extensions, not to shower and avoid oils, so the retention is better. Depending on what brand you're using or the glue in the lashes, retention can always change between 2 to 10 days. So always check when you are buying lashes, check how many days they can last, so that will be the best fit for you. And depending on how you take care of the lashes can change the retention. There is a lot of things that it can change retention. How you take care of your lashes, how do you apply the lashes, if you apply them correctly and use enough glue, and your natural oils of your natural skin, that can change retention too. But these lashes can last at least 5 to 10 days for sure. Next question is, are these lashes can damage your natural lashes? I would say whatever you use to your natural lashes, either a lash curler, eyelash extension, do lash lift or strip lashes, or these lashes, if you do it back to back with no break in between, yes, it can damage your lashes because you're not letting your natural lashes to breathe. So if you do these lashes or strip lashes, eyelash extensions, make sure to give a break. For example, if you put these lashes and they last for 5 days, give it a break of 5 days. That way your natural lashes won't get damaged at all. Next question is, what is the cost about these lashes? Well, here I have a really good news, because if you get eyelash extensions, depending on your area, it can cost between, for a full set, it can cost between $100 to $300. But with lashes at home, it's probably 3 times cheaper than eyelash extensions. Usually the first time when you buy a kit in lashes, it can be between $40 to $65. For a full set, $100 to $300 depending on your area. And then after, when you already have all your kit, all your tools, you only need to buy lashes and the glue. So that will be around, I will say maybe $20 to $30 a month. So the price is super worth it compared to eyelash extension. And they totally look like eyelash extensions. They don't look like strip lashes, so they're very convenient. All right, so those are the most popular questions if you're thinking about these lashes. I hope this helps to decide if you want to give it a try or not. So far I've been using these lashes for a year. Please let me know if you have tried and what do you think, and don't forget please to subscribe, touch the bell, and give me a thumbs up if this helped you. I will see you next time, guys. Bye.